Last year, Milwaukee released a full-size M18 fuel shop vac in both battery-powered and corded options. The vacuums are modular in a way, with motor heads, tanks, and carts all able to be changed out to fit a variety of applications, and the ability to double the holding size of the vacuum with swapping out these big old buckets. This motor is brushless, and it outperforms both 3.5 and 4.25 peak horsepower vacs that are from the competition, and it's able to pick up more debris than your average shop vac in the same amount of time. The anti-static hose features a crush and twist resistant design, which makes the hose last twice as long as regular shop vacs. And the reinforced casters and the cart wheels give a longer lifespan before needing to be replaced. Two 12-volt batteries should give you up to about 30 minutes of continuous runtime on the max power mode and 47 minutes on runtime mode. Obviously, none of that matters with the corded version, but some people on the interweb said that a 6 or 8 amp battery is enough to power through most situations. This vacuum is the bee's knees, but there's something that is missing, and from what I gather, it's painfully obvious. Why in the hell isn't this PACKOUT compatible? This doesn't mean you can't put stuff on top of this thing. Milwaukee clearly knows that a vac needs to support its accessories. You can purchase a nice airtip accessory bag and strap it to the top with these integrated hooks. Some of our customers have used stealth mounts that will make this PACKOUT compatible with a little rigging, but come on, Milwaukee. So the obvious next step for us is to poorly cut up a PACKOUT wall mount, drill some holes and fasten it to the top of the vacuum with zip ties. Now we have a rolling, mobile, and incredibly unstable PACKOUT stack that you too can create at home. Well, admittedly, we've seen this done a lot, and we don't recommend modifying these things, but we just had to try it. Although the front latch that clips the vac in is very handy and easy to disengage with a simple foot press, it's just not built to support a giant stack of PACKOUT, so we had a slight problem with bumps. For those of you watching that have successfully done this, how did you address fixing the bucket to the cart? Anyway, airtip attachments. We partnered up with our friends at Milwaukee to come up with the 10 most popular airtip attachments that you can pick up right now to go along with your M18 shop vac, or most 1.25 inch, 7/8, or 2.5 inch vacs. The airtip dust collector 4990-2022 collects dust and small debris as you work. Just connect it to your M18 shop vac and it will use the strong suction for a solid grip on the wall for less cleanup time later. A long reach, flexible micro hose set 4990-2037 has 5 interchangeable hose lengths. A quarter turn is all you need to attach these hoses to your M18 shop vac, making attachment and detachment simple and easy. For the car guy in your life, the 3-piece automotive vacuum toolkit 4990-2019A is the perfect kit for automotive detailing. The set has a 3-in-1 crevice and brush tool with a reversible brush head, a swiveling palm brush for more leverage and easier movement, and a flexible long reach crevice tool to get deep in the cracks. The right angle cleaning tool 4990-26 has a gradual bend and right angle curve, making it the perfect solution for cleaning up around pipes near walls or other tighter spots where traditional hoses may not reach. Designed specifically for electricians, the Conduit Line Puller Kit 4990-2024 is able to seal multiple conduit sizes for stronger line pulling suction. The narrow ends and cross stopper helps this fit into smaller conduit boxes and other harder to access areas while preventing the line and bag from being sucked into the vacuum. The 16-inch flexible long-reach crevice tool 4990-23 is perfect for easy access in hard-to-reach areas, and the flexible shaft is able to bend around obstacles for a more complete cleaning experience. A low-profile pivoting brush tool 4990-2027 has great cleaning access with a pivoting design and incredibly sleek profile. The joint is simple to engage with a button press, so multiple orientations for cleaning in all sorts of areas is a breeze. For those of us that would rather get the brushing and sucking all at once, the 3-in-1 crevice and brush tool 4990-2023 is the accessory for you. This is actually the same one found in the automotive vacuum toolkit. It has a removable and reversible brush head with easy to access detent buttons, which includes long soft bristles on one side and short tougher bristles on the other. The claw utility nozzle 4990-2040 makes hand cleanup significantly more effective. The bristles are strong enough to agitate the debris, but they're soft enough to leave the surface without any marks. Rounding out our top 10 is the swiveling palm brush 4990-2020, which is also part of the automotive vacuum toolkit. With its 360-degree swiveling palm grip will help you keep that grip during your cleanup. Each of these accessories are compatible with most wet or dry vacs, which makes them the perfect additions to your M18 shop vac that you definitely picked up in a separate tab while you had this video playing in the background, right? right? Well, if you haven't grabbed yours yet, click through the links below to pick up your M18 shop vac and various airtip accessories, and let us know down in the comments which airtip accessory your favorite is. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment, or give us a call, or send us an email, or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. Automatic. Pickle bit.